Modern cruising needs smarter ways to handle waste on board. EVAC is here to help. Hi, I'm Robin Merus, and today we are introducing a solution designed for one of the toughest day-to-day operational realities at sea, the waste you still have left after recycling, called the residual waste. Even when a ship recycles as much as possible, every ship is left with waste that can't go into recycling. This can include food-contaminated packaging, mixed materials, and items that are wet or dirty. It still needs to be handled safely and responsibly. And the type of waste changes all the time, day to day, port to port, even hour to hour. That makes the work harder for the crew. It can mean more manual adjustments, more time spent monitoring, and more risk of inconsistent performance. The industry is of course always looking ahead to new technologies, but ships also need proven solutions that work today in real onboard conditions with real crews and real-time pressure. That's why we are introducing EVAC's upgraded onboard waste incineration platform, EVAC Waste Incinerator Flex. It's built on years of EVAC incinerator experience, upgraded for today's cruise operations. The goal is simple: more control, more consistent operation, and a clearer day-to-day experience for the crew. When we speak with operators, we hear the same things again and again. They want equipment that runs reliably in everyday use. They want fewer surprises, they want less manual tuning, and they want performance that stays predictable even when the waste changes. They also want flexibility. Some ships need solutions for new build projects, others need upgrades during a refit when you improve what's already installed. So we built this platform around what matters the most on board: a stable burn, good efficiency, less crew workload, and confidence that the systems can be supported for the long term. And now, let's go to the technical part. Jussi?
Thank you, Robin. I'm Jussi Ylimäki, Product Line Manager at EVAC. Let me show you the key upgrades, what they do, and what you'll actually notice in daily operation. In practice, you'll notice three things. The burn stays steadier, the system needs fewer manual adjustments, and the operation is more predictable even when the waste mix is changing. Inside with the waste incinerator, a moving grate helps move waste through the burning area in a controlled way. Instead of waste sitting in one place, it moves step by step, so it burns evenly. This is especially important when the waste mix is changing. The moving grate supports a more stable, more consistent burn and reduces the need for the constant operator actions. In simple terms, it helps the process run smoother shift after shift. The system also includes automatic combustion control. It continuously measures the oxygen level in the process. Oxygen is one of the key signals that determines how well the burn is happening. Based on that measurement, the system automatically adjusts itself to keep it stable as conditions change. This helps reducing manual tuning and supports cleaner day-to-day operation, helping minimize the visible black smoke and soot during the normal use. Fuel strategies are changing. That's why the platform is designed for fuel flexibility. It can support HVO, renewable diesel, when available and approved, and it also supports conventional marine fuels. HVO is a renewable diesel that can help reducing life cycle emissions depending on the sourcing and local rules. For crews, day-to-day operation stays familiar. For operators, it adds flexibility as fuel policies and availability change. And because it's the same platform, you don't need a different system to support different fuel strategies. Before I let our CEO, Björn, talk you through the bigger picture, I want to point out this is not just for the new builds. Key improvements are available also for existing EVAC incinerators. And backing up to EVAC Global Services, we are able to provide you full life cycle services, including the maintenances and all the upgrades. Björn, please, floor is yours.
Thank you, Jussi. Hi, I'm Björn Ulbro. I'm the CEO of EVAC Group. Now, in this case, what matters most is not the equipment itself. It is how it fits into the entire system on board. It's a waste incinerator, but it's not just a standalone box. It's part of our total concept for onboard waste management. So it is part of a process, it is part of a flow. Now, when these steps work together, the crew spends less time reacting and more time operating with full confidence. This means steps like shredding, safe and controlled storage, thermal treatment is planned in detail to match each vessel's size, route, and operational needs. It also works seamlessly alongside our dry waste and wet waste solutions and supports recycling and reduces the amount of waste that actually needs thermal treatment. Indeed, the most responsible waste is the waste that you never need to treat at all. So we focus on helping you to sort better, recycle more, and only incinerate what truly remains in the best possible way. The result is a more predictable daily process, less guessing, less disruption, and much better control of your leftover waste. For today's launch, our choice is clear, our choice is conscious. We support your needs today with tomorrow in mind. We believe in our purpose of nothing to waste, and we will keep creating solutions that help you reach your goals for the future, which will be a cleaner future.
For operators, this platform is about confidence, stable operation, reduced manual workload, and a solution designed for real onboard conditions, whether you are building a new or upgrading an existing system. If you want to explore the platform, the upgrade options, or how it fits into your vessel's overall waste concept, reach out to our team. We'll help you define the right configuration for your operational needs. We are ready when you are to optimize the burn. Thank you for watching.
Thank you, Robin.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
Modern sailing demands smarter ways to handle onboard waste. Even when recycling is prioritized, every ship produces residual waste that can't be recycled, but still needs responsible handling. Ships need proven solutions for that residual waste today. That's why we're introducing our upgraded onboard waste incineration platform. EVAC Waste Incinerator Flex, built on years of incinerator know-how for today's cruise operations. Our world-class moving grate technology advances waste through the combustion zone for controlled, consistent processing. The platform is built for real onboard conditions with improved usability, efficiency, and capacity. Our O2 monitored combustion control tracks oxygen levels and automatically manages combustion as waste conditions change, helping reduce manual tuning and helping minimize visible black smoke and soot. The system's also fuel flexible, compatible with HVO renewable fuels, as well as conventional marine fuels, reducing fuel-related risk while supporting evolving fuel strategies. And it's not just for new builds. Key improvements can be delivered as upgrades for existing EVAC incinerators, helping modernize installations and extend service life, backed by lifecycle support. Finally, it's never just one box. The incinerator is part of EVAC's integrated total concept, from shredding and controlled storage to thermal treatment, dimensioned vessel by vessel for system-level performance. Optimize the burn within EVAC's integrated total concept.